Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Allway Tools Wallpaper Strippers. This best-selling WPS features an aluminum head and comfortable soft grip 12-inch handle with convenient blade storage within. With just a quarter turn of the handle, you lock and unlock the blade in place, making for a quick and easy way to change blades without a nut or screwdriver. The scraper includes an easy-on blade guard and a 4-inch stripper blade. For heavier-duty jobs, we also offer the WPSC with a durable ink cast scraper head and 12-inch steel tubular shaft with a comfortable soft grip handle and blade guard. This scraper is also offered with a 20-inch steel shaft. The heavy-duty 4-inch wide WSB blade is 0.014 inches thick. MoJack 750 XD Lawn Mower Lift. The MoJack 750 XD makes it convenient and safe to service most large riding and commercial zero-turn mowers on the market. This model was designed especially to fit the oversized zero-turn models, featuring a wheel span measuring of 31.5 to 62.5 inches, front load lifting capacity of 750 pounds. The mower options are endless. After assembling your lift, reading our included manual, adjust your wheel pads for a custom fit. Next, ride your mower onto the wheel pads and secure with the included safety straps. You can lift the mower deck 25 inches by hand or with a variable speed drill, giving you plenty of room to work on anymore. After chocking the wheels, you're ready to start your maintenance, repair, or cleaning tasks. For these, our lift features a screw jack and safety lock pin system to prevent your machine from slipping, moving while cleaning or maintaining. You can have full confidence in the safety of your lift. Once you're done, the 750 XD folds flat for easy, convenient storage. SFIXX Hammer Ratchet Set. An all-in-one hammer, nail holder, and ratchet screwdriver from SFIXX, which comes supplied with sockets, Phillips heads, flat blade heads, and a built-in bottle opener. The 15-in-1 SFIXX Hammer Ratchet Set is the perfect tool for getting all the jobs done around the home. A handy one to have in your kit, this versatile tool will allow you to get on with the job without constantly going back and forth for a different one. Allway Tools 3-in-1 Caulk Tool. This best-selling 3-in-1 caulk tool features a durable stainless steel caulk removal piece on one end for quick removal of old caulk. On the other end, you will find a rotatable silicone rubber smoother for new car. You get 3 profiles to select from depending upon the size of new caulk B you want to lay 1/8, 3/16, or a 1/4 inch. The tool also includes a plastic scraper for easy cleanup of any excess gall, all designed around a super comfortable soft grip handle that greatly reduces hand muscle fatigue on those larger jobs. With its ease of use and choice of smoothing sizes, the multifunction 3-in-1 caulk tool is clearly your best choice for professional-grade caulk removal and smoother. Easy Off-Twist Socket Set from Axis Tools. This socket set works like magic to remove all damage or locking lug nuts without a key. This exclusive short twist grip technology locked wheel lugs spin off with no effort at all. These sockets grip locking lug nuts that other sockets cannot, with sizes to fit virtually every lug nut on the market. The Axis Tools Easy Off-Twist Socket Set is simple to use and works with an impact gun or a breaker bar. The sockets are covered by a limited lifetime warranty covering cracking or breaking. Never again shall locking lug nuts get the better of you when you have an Axis Tools Easy Off-Twist Socket Set. Bessey Solid Surface Seaming Tool. The Bessey Solid Surface Seaming Tools twin vacuum cups secure the clamp to any smooth, hard surface like polished granite, marble, corian, and other man-made non-porous countertop materials. Large diameter Acme type lead screws smoothly pull the workpieces together. The leveling toggles ensure smooth surface joint, reduces grinding, sanding, and finishing. Precision, professional tool with work-hardened spindle, aluminum frame, and cold-drawn rod guides. Knife and Tool Sharpener Mark II. This is the new improved Knife and Tool Sharpener Mark II by WorkSharp. Mark II is a belt sharpener that builds on the success of the original knife and tool sharpener. They took 10 years of customer feedback to make sharpening faster, easier, and more repeatable than ever. The Mark II uses the same flexible belt technology to shape and sharpen any blade shape. The redesigned leather-lined sharpening guides produce repeatable results for 20-degree kitchen and 25-degree outgoing knives. Bench Guide supports the knife as you sharpen to maintain a factory profile. You can quickly switch between high-precision sharpening and powerful tool grinding with a new 2-speed mode. Mark II makes sharpening fast, easy, and repeatable with Sharp's new results. Hilti SDS Max Demolition Hammer. It is a rugged, lightweight tool with a modern design for chipping or breaking in concrete and masonry, and pairs perfectly with Hilti's newest chisels. Packed with impressive power, but only weighing just over 10 pounds, less than similar demolition hammers on the market, workers can chip or break at chest height with less fatigue without sacrificing performance. The new demo hammer could be equipped with Hilti DRSB dust control accessory and attached directly to the Hilti VC150XC vacuum, providing an efficient dust control solution that complies with silica dust regulations. That Hilti SDS Max Demolition Hammer will help crews chip, break, and demolish with more power and productivity. It is backed by our industry-leading 22-1 service warranty and can be added to Healthy Tool Fleet Management Program. Greenlee Universal Cable Stripping Tool. The Greenlee JRF4 EPR and JRF4 XLP Universal Cable Strippers are intended to remove encapsulated outer jackets over all insulation shield constructions, including concentric, tape, flat strap, LC, and CLX, as well as primary and secondary insulation. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.